Okay, Tammy, I am going to go into my Taplink. Okay, here's my Taplink. I'm going to make this quick video for you just to give you the bones of this, okay? So make sure that you put a great picture. You can put a picture of Ashley or a picture of you and Ashley, whatever you want to do, all right? But the more people think that they're actually talking to Ashley, the better you're going to have a conversion rate of people coming over for conversation because they'd love to talk to her, right? And you can answer all of their questions. So it says, allow me to introduce myself. That's a video. Don't worry about that right now. Message Nicole and Facebook. Now, you can put this link if you want. And that's just basically you copying your link, but I don't think we need to do that right now. Let's stick to things that can convert quickly, which is them getting more information about the product or more information about the business, okay? So right here where it says text me for a quick reply, that is my Project Broadcast phone number. And so when you click on that, so I added a block. So basically what you could do is do the same thing. And actions down here, sorry, I'm getting inundated with messages. I can change that. So I'm going to teach you how to set up a block. So, oops, it signed me out. 1 second. Okay, so I have get your spoon a day. You could call it whatever you want, but that's my link to my Facebook. I'm sorry, to my Facebook. That's my link to my Modere page. And that is going to have like my Modere Life information. So it's going to have your link plus your referral number attached to it. So if you go to the Modere Life app and go to how they can get started, or go to Modere, sign in as you, and then copy the link at the top, and then you could put that there for get your spoon a day. You could do that. Now, you could also do a separate link, and you could type it. You could go in to modere.com, sign in as Tammy, right? Go to like chocolate trim, bring that up, and then copy the link in the top bar for the spoon a day. Then you can go out, stay inside modere.com, but go to like the lean body system, click on the chocolate one, and then go to the top of the bar, your search bar, and click that link, and you could put that in too. So like one could be called Get Your Spoon a Day. One could be called Get Your Full Spoon System, just to keep it simple. And then you could have text me for a quick reply, and that's how you could talk to them in the live tonight. If you want to learn more, text me for a quick reply. That is your number for Project Broadcast. Then you have below that earn money from and then I put an icon of a phone, and that is the link to my Modere Life app. And I go into the Modere Life app and I click on 5 ways. It's the 5 ways to earn video. I click on that and I grab that link. And I copy that link and come over and put that under earn money from your phone. So the 5 reasons why video inside your Modere Life app, click that link or copy that link, bring that over, create that. So you don't have to do anything else. Those would be the only ones that you would need. And then this is how you add a block. Clearly you see it says add block. Then go here, hit link first. And then you can name that link. And then under action where it says website, then put the link there. You can put it there, right here, okay? But up here, put the name of it. So if you're going to put chocolate spoon a day, you could do that. And then you've gone to modere.com. You've opened up your app. You've signed in. You've went to chocolate trim. You go up to the top search bar where it has the address with that link. And then you come back here and put it in. It's that simple. And then you're done, okay? Now, if you want to make it pretty, you're going to come over to sections. And this section will allow you to change the background color, okay? Let me see if anything else is needed. No, just you can change the background color. So like mine are like that burgundy color. You can choose whatever color you want, but you have to hit section on up here first. So, gosh, everybody's trying to get in touch with me. I'm sorry, my phone's like that all day long. Okay, you're going to hit section, new section. So now you have it live because you hit this up here. where it says new section, so it's no longer section off but new section, then you can come down here and choose the color that you want. Clearly I chose that color, right? But you can choose any color that you and Ashley want. You can change the text font right here, keep it simple, and that should be enough. Then save changes here at the bottom. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to click it. I'm going to do purple just so you can see the difference. I'm going to apply it, and then I'm going to hit normal. I'm just going to hit normal, okay? So that's chosen, and then I'm going to hit save changes. Then I'm going to go back over to the link, and I don't have a link there, so I didn't put anything there for you. But just imagine that you've put all the information, and it's chocolate spoon a day. All right, so that's done. Save changes. Now it's going to take me back out. It says there's errors in the form because I didn't put a link. Hold on, let me just grab something. Bear with me. I'm going to go to my Modere Life app. Oh, I'll just show you. I'll go to Modere. I'll just show you what I'm doing. Bear with me. Okay, Modere.com. Now I'm going to log in. Okay, so I'm in here, and I'm going to go to trim, okay? Whoopsies. Hit return. Okay, so whatever, you found your chocolate trim. You click on the image, it brings it up, okay? So now if you go up here to the top search bar, hit copy, now you have your link that will take them straight to your Modere app or Modere website because you've logged in, and that's the chocolate. So it's very, very simple for them. Now I'm gonna go back down, go back to Taplink. I'm gonna put the link in there. Done. Save changes. Okay, so it's populated it. It's down here at the bottom, chocolate spoon a day, and all the information is there. So all you have to do when you're done is publish here at the top. Just hit publish in the blue block, and you will